Good morning, there, and welcome back to my channel in Minecraft 7.15.0. Holy crap! This time I will show you the tutorial of how to make a flaming arrow machine gun. I'll show you that it is working. Freak! This is not the flaming one. There you go. It's not flaming. It's super fast. And this is now the flaming one. There you go. There's a lava in there. It's flaming. Yeah. It's good that it's not raining because the flame arrow will not be effective in crap. Holy crap. Yay! Yay! AJ, someone's calling you outside. Just show it. Just approach the freaking.
Oh! Nasa loob, dito, computer. Hindi.
As you can see, they're speaking in Tagalog because we're Filipinos. This is how you do it. Place a 4 cobblestone. You need 4 cobblestone walls. Place it right there. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. And place it right there like this. 1 space. And here you put 2 space again. And this 1 space. And inside, you'll need these 2 dispensers. Place the first dispenser in here, the second dispenser in here, and just get this out. That's just a design though. And do this redstone things. You place a compartment that is activated. Activate it with the lever so it will repetitive signal will go on. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Hit the like button or else subscribe, and thank you for watching.